Welcome to Richmond, Virginia, one of the best places for fall. With the mixture of urban parks, riverside trails, and historic sites, it is the perfect backdrop to see fall foliage. So whether you're from here or you're just visiting, here is my list of the top 10 places to see fall foliage in Richmond, in order of location. My name is Lauren C. Ray, and I cover all things to do and vegan food to eat here in Richmond, so make sure to subscribe to follow along. And today, I'm here with my friend Olivia, and we are going to be going around and showing you all the top places.
Number 1, Libby Hill Park. Perched on a hill, Libby Hill Park offers some of the best views in Richmond, especially in the fall. This historic park, dating back to the 1850s, gives you sweeping, panoramic views of the James River and the downtown skyline, framed by brilliant fall colors. Libby Hill is perfect for those who want to mix of history, nature, and cityscape all in one spot. Number 2, St. John's Church. Famous as the site of Patrick Henry's Give Me Liberty or Give Me Death speech, St. John's Church is a must-see landmark because of its history, and because in the fall, it takes on a whole new level. The church's grounds are surrounded by gorgeous trees that burst into gorgeous colors alongside the very old and historic gravestones.
Just want to give a shout out to Olivia. She is crouching for this shot. I told her I need this for Instagram. I'm gonna get a pile of leaves. This is the pile. I'm gonna run and jump into them. And so she is doing, this is a big friend move here. So yeah, if you come to St. John's, we'll have so many leaves on the ground that you could do a literal steamroll into them. Get them caught in your sweater. It's glorious.
Plus, the nearby Church Hill neighborhood with its cobblestone streets and historic row houses makes for a picturesque autumn walk as well. It's seriously so magical in the fall. Number 3, Floodwell Park. For an off-the-beaten-path fall experience, Floodwell Park offers one of the best views in Richmond. Running alongside the James River, this is more floodwell than park, but it features an elevated walkway that gives you stunning views of the city skyline with epic autumn colors. You can see the city skyline, the water flowing from the James River, a train going by, cars passing by on the Mayo Bridge, and all from the same viewpoint. Floodwell Park is the perfect spot to soak up fall colors and see so much going on in Richmond. Also, there's a convenient free parking lot right next to it for easy access. Number 4, Teapot Bridge. The Tyler Potterfield Memorial Bridge, or Teapot to locals, is one of the most scenic spots in Richmond, especially in autumn. This pedestrian bridge stretches across the James River, offering a kind of immersive experience as you're surrounded by the river's water flow and vibrant fall colors on both banks. The bridge gives you an up-close view of the changing leaves across the river, as well as panoramic views of the downtown skyline. Accessible to walkers, bikers, and even strollers, the Teapot Bridge is perfect for a relaxed afternoon stroll or a sunset view. Don't forget to stop midway for a prime photo op spot. Number 5, Oregon Hill Overlook. For a breathtaking blend of fall foliage, river, and skyline views, Oregon Hill Overlook is a Richmond must. This cozy spot is perched just above the James River, providing a great vantage point to take in the autumn colors stretching along the riverbanks and the downtown cityscape in the background. This overlook is located in the historic Oregon Hill neighborhood and is usually a very quiet spot. Plus, this is a great access point to the North Bank Trail. Number 6, North Bank Trail. The North Bank Trail is approximately 5.4 mile out and back urban hiking trail, and in the fall, it's amazing. The trail winds along the north side of the James River, passing by 2 cemeteries and through tons of trees. This is the perfect trail for hikers, bikers, and anyone looking for a scenic workout. Along the way, you'll catch sight of the river rushing below, views of the South Bank's autumn colors across the water, and gorgeous nature. It's a fantastic spot for those who want to escape the city noise and immerse themselves into Richmond's nature. Number 7, Hollywood Cemetery. Hollywood Cemetery is a Richmond classic, blending history, breathtaking views, and in the fall, the perfect display of colorful foliage. As one of the oldest cemeteries in the country, it's the final resting place for some famous names, including 2 U.S. presidents, John Tyler and James Monroe. But come autumn, Hollywood Cemetery transforms into a wonderland of yellows, reds, and warm oranges, making it the favorite for both us locals and visitors. The rolling hills, towering monuments, historic tombstones, and the sweeping overlook of the James River make for a unique, peaceful walk in the fall. Number 8, Monument Avenue. Monument Avenue is one of Richmond's most iconic streets, famous for its grand historic homes, tree-lined medians, and a storied past. In the fall, this wide avenue becomes a canopy of vibrant fall colors. Driving, walking, or biking down Monument Avenue is such a vibe. You can look at the amazing architecture and also enjoy the fall foliage. Number 9, University of Richmond. The University of Richmond is known for its beautiful campus, especially in the fall. With its Gothic architecture, lakes, and woodsy trails, the campus transforms into an autumn dream. Walking through the campus in the fall, you can explore scenic spots like the West Hampton Lake, surrounded by vibrant foliage reflecting on the water, or take a stroll along the wooded trails. Whether you're an alum, a student, or simply a visitor, the University of Richmond's fall foliage is a peaceful and visually captivating experience. Number 10, from the James River. For those who crave a little adventure with their fall scenery, Richmond's whitewater rafting experience on the James River is an absolute must. The river's Class 3 and 4 rapids offers waves and drops right in the heart of the city, making it one of the only places in the US where you can experience urban whitewater rafting. In autumn, the experience gets an added dose of magic as you paddle through a backdrop of reds, oranges, and yellows lining the riverbanks. RVA Paddle Sports is the only company in town that does fall guided whitewater rafting, and it's seriously so much fun. You'll navigate the river and rapids while catching breathtaking views of the changing leaves on Belle Isle and the surrounding area. I have to admit, this is one of my favorite ways to see fall foliage in Richmond. Between the fun adventure of whitewater rafting and taking in the cityscape with foliage, this makes it a one-of-a-kind fall adventure. Whether you're a seasoned rafter or a first-timer, this is an unforgettable way to see Richmond's autumn.
What a video. Thank you so much for joining me on all my 10 best spots to see foliage in Richmond. And Lucas did end up joining me. Olivia and Lucas switched out to help me for the last few spots around Richmond, but it was such an amazing day. I went to 10 of some of the not only best foliage spots in Richmond, best spots in Richmond. Like, it feels like the best foliage spots are just the best spots. Honestly, Richmond is glorious, it's gorgeous, and as you could tell, it's incredible during the fall. So I hope you get a chance to see some of those this fall or in the incoming falls whenever you're watching this. And let me know, did I miss any spots? Comment that below. And also, what's your favorite spot to see foliage in Richmond? That's a really good question too. And for more travel tips around Richmond and Virginia, make sure to subscribe, like this video if you liked it. And I'm going to leave the Vlogtober playlist right here because I'm assuming if you're watching this, you're gonna love the fall vibes. And I did a vlog every single day in October around Richmond and Virginia, so if you really want some fall vibes, definitely watch some of those videos. They are incredible. And I'll leave the Richmond playlist right there in case you want more tips around Richmond. And I will see you all next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.